How to send money from Bmobile to Bmobile in Trinidad. So if you want to send money from Bmobile to Bmobile, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your dialer. So you need to simply go for your call or your phone option, and you need to open up your dialer. And once you open up your dialer, here you need to simply type in *128 and then star. So this is the first thing that is essential for you to send money from Bmobile to Bmobile. Now the second step is to type in 1876. Now this is the code that is required before the number that you want to send the credit balance or money. So now once you have entered the number that you would like to send, for example, I'll be choosing 123456. This is only for the example. So once you've entered the number in which you would like to send the money, you need to again type or dial star. And now all you got to do is enter the amount that you would like to send. So for example, I want to send 100. So you can simply enter 100, and once you've entered the 100, dial hash and then simply tap on call. And once you tap on call, your money will be sent from Bmobile to Bmobile. So that's basically how you can send money from Bmobile to Bmobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.